Hi guys, today I'll show you how you can link your Centrelink account to your My Gov account. First, we'll start by logging into a My Gov account, and once you log in, you will come to a page like this, and you can either click on link your first service, or you can click on services at the top. Then you will come to a page like this, and you can click on whichever service you want to link to your My Gov account. For this video, we're going to pick Centrelink, and once we've clicked on that, they may ask you to agree that you're okay with the My Gov account storing your legal name and birth date, which is in your Centrelink account. And you click I agree, which will lead you to this page, and then pick one of the options shown below. I'm gonna go with I have an online account with Centrelink because I made an online account with Centrelink, so I can link it. But if you don't have an online account with Centrelink, you can choose that option, and all you'll need to do is fill in your customer reference number and your details, your name, your bank details, your address, and some other details they may ask you for identification. Or you can click on I have a linking code option as well. You can call Centrelink and they will give you a linking code which you can then use to link your Centrelink account to your My Gov. But let's go with the first option, which will lead you to this page. Then you put in your customer access number or your customer reference number, they're the same. Then you put in your password for your Centrelink account, and then you press next, and you're done. That's all you have to do. You can go on to link another service, or you can sign up. I will leave a link of how to get into My Gov in the description below, along with the link to register your Centrelink online account. And thank you so much for watching.